Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing from Amazon. Okay, a couple of weeks ago I showed you that our Create Love contacted me and they told me to choose some paints, paint my numbers, and I did, and I started working on one of them. You will see in the post review. I'm having problem. It seems like some of the paints are not what is on the picture. I still have to do some blending, but you know. But I found this company on Amazon. I'm gonna post the link below if I don't forget. That sells various paint by number in a kit. Okay? And the name of the company is called Magicfly. And I bought this kit, paint by number kits. There's 4 of them in here. The box came already sealed with clear paper or cellophane. It has 4 pre-printed canvas, acrylic paints, multicolored. It has an acrylic medium. It brushes multi-size of brushes and instructions, okay? And it said that the pre-printed texture canvas, vibrant and rich pigmented. It had the acrylic medium to prevent paint from drying too soon, okay? And it says over here that has 79 color, and it tells you all the brush sizes that comes in. So I'm assuming that is one set of brush for each painting. So we're gonna open this baby. I got it yesterday. I mean yesterday mean Friday, because this is coming out I don't know, Thursday next week. By the time this video comes in, it's already been a week that I received it. But I'm not gonna do it now until I finish those 5, because I want to see how the ink plays out. Okay, so let's see what is inside. The box is very sturdy. By the way, they're not that big though. Okay, they are not that big. So let's open it through here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it seems that we had the acrylic slow drying, the acrylic medium, which by the way I'm planning to try on the other paints. Although I have the flow, it has the package of the paints are very well sealed, vacuum sealed, so they won't spill. That's one kit. Here is your kit of paint brushes. 10 paint brushes. I'm planning to use it, and if you can see, they have way different sizes, so it's a complete kit. They have even the big one, this one could be good, and this one for blending. So they have, it says that they are durable and widely used. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah. But we don't have the teeny tiny, we just have that one. That's the smallest one that we have. Let me get you closer. This is the smaller one that we have in the kit. So we got another set of paints, okay? It's 4 kits, so we should have 4 sets of painting, and it looks like it has the number 1, 2, 4. Okay, they're all vacuum sealed. Right, let's see. I don't see the instructions, but it said that it has the instructions. But you know, if you are familiar with Paint My Number, you know I'm not gonna need this. So, oh, here they are. Here it is. Oh, it has the shards. So if you paint over, oh, this is neat. Oh, good. That's good. Note, there may be color difference because the pigments are adjusted manually. Therefore, the finished paint will be slightly different from the reference picture. Okay, so we got one over here. Oh, this is neat. This is neat. This is very neat. Okay, here it is. They give you the rendering, right? The finished picture. These are Hawaiian sceneries, okay? Hawaiian sceneries. And it gives you the chart. Okay? And the numbers on this one, contrary to the one that I'm doing, even the smallest spaces has the number clear. Let's see, I'm trying to find a real small one. Here it is. Here is one. That one right here. The number 3. You can see the numbers. Okay. So this is neat. That's one. This is the second one. Right? This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. So I do like this. I like it. This is a big plus. A big plus. Now, let's go to the canvas are 9 by 12. Okay. So this is something that you can use to kind of graduate from the small ones. And the printed canvas come in a board. They have the canvas number that goes with the paint. Let's see. Here it is. The set of paints, right? MF1595-4 is for this canvas, MF1595-4. So this is for this one. And this one is gonna have 21 colors. Okay. And the canvas have a slightly pigmented for clarity of your numbers. So you can see your numbers better. I wonder if you need to treat this. Probably I will put gesso just to make sure on it. I don't know. It's clear gesso, so it's not gonna affect anything. So, and the numbers in the canvas are clear. Here is this. This is number 12. Look at this little space in here. Let me get you closer. There's some little spaces over here that have the numbers that you can see it clearly. Okay. So I'm start liking it. This is for this one. And then this is the other one. The number 3, which is for this one. This one has 17 colors in total. This is another one. And then we have number 2, which is this one. And this one is gonna have 19 colors. Take a look at the little number that we saw on the chart. Take a look at on the canvas. You can see them. The numbers are not dark printed, but you can see them because they put like this coat of paint on it or something. It's a colorful pre-printed canvas, so you will be able to see better and define better the numbers. So here they are. Take a look at this one. That's an 8. You can see them clearly. So this is another one. And then the last one, but not the least one. This one has 22 colors. Again, you can see the numbers clearly. You know, this area that has a lot of small numbers. Okay. So this is neat. I'm liking it. Let's see what happens. They already warned me about the... Let me put them inside because I'm feel tempted to start one of them. Let me put them inside. So here are the renderings again, so you can see them. And this is good. I like this. I like this company. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is not gonna be done immediately. I'm gonna put them back in the box before I open one of them. But this is a nice size, 9 by 12. I wish they would have more of them, different things, but let's see what happens. They have another one that I like, but it was more expensive on only 3 canvases. This one has 4, and it was $4 less. But this is pretty. This is cool. I'm gonna put the paint back. I like the fact that the brushes, it came with 10 brushes, which I'm gonna test them though. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna put them aside, and I'm gonna put the slow drying aside. I'm assuming that that is flow for the paint, because you're supposed to put flow, and it's supposed to be the Liquitex has to be diluted. I'm sorry, diluted, no. Diluted in water, but this one doesn't say anything. And let me check something. I don't want to open it. I just want to see if it smells. I'm gonna put it in one of those bottles. No, it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell. I just don't want to open it completely. So this is, I think it's a good buy, a purchase to start. It said that it's easy for beginners. And let's see what happens, okay? But I'm planning to do this kit. I'm planning to do at least one of these in the kit, but I gotta finish the first 5 first, okay? So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye. Don't forget to join membership, okay? We're gonna have some fun things going on if you're a member, okay? and some nice prizes and nice giveaways. So again, much love and peace to all of you.